Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Reolink Elite XPro PoE 16 megapixels panoramic camera. New product from Reolink, just released. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Let's see what we have at this envelope. Protected by Reolink, 24/7 video surveillance, stickers, I like it, on 5 different languages. Drilling template and instructions. Some screws for mounting at the wall, 4 screws, the Ethernet cable, 1 meter, thick cable, and we have in this waterproof lid. It is for the Ethernet cable that you can connect it here. Here it is the LAN port, seal it very well. If you don't want to use the LAN port, you can use a DC power adapter 12 volt 2 amp and you can connect it here. PoE 48 volt active, and you can use this sealing to protect the port. We have in this sticker for the bracket. It goes here obviously. Remove the sticker and install it at the bracket. We have a cable length from the camera about 30 centimeters. In my case I will use the PoE cable to power on the camera, power over the Ethernet, and to do that we have the PoE switch from Reolink. In the past I have made a video, and for this switch you can check down below at the description. Just connect that here and you are ready to go. If you have multiple cameras, this switch it is very suitable for you. Now let's move on at the camera. Wow! 180 degrees ultra wide field of view with advanced image stitching algorithms captures every detail in stunning 16 megapixels with dual 4K lenses and maximum resolution 7680 by 2160 20 fps. Amazing, it looks great. Built with IP67 waterproof, it's durable and ready for any outdoor scene. We have a powerful Color X night vision f1 aperture and 1/1/8 sensor deliver vibrant colors in extremely low light. With powerful 3, 1, 2, 3, 150 lumen spotlights and 6 infrared lights up to 30 meters provide crystal clear surveillance in any lighting conditions. 1 infrared light here, another one here, and another 4 here. With built-in microphone, there's a microphone and the speaker here for two-way audio, talk to people in front of the camera or warn of intruders in real time. And the spotlights and siren from the speaker add an extra layer of protection to your property. Adjustable bracket. Unscrew this huge nut, adjust it, find the right position. You can rotate that and then just tight it. Three screw holes here for mounting at the wall. It is enough, it will be very secure. Reset and micro SD, it says here. We need to remove these two screws. Perfect. We have the reset button here. Supports up to 512 GB micro SD card. I will install 256 or Reolink NVR and FTP for secure storage. It is your choice. Silicone rubber around. I will install that later. Maybe I need to reset the camera. I just love it. I like the shape. The field of view, it is huge with these two lenses. You can get instant alerts when people, vehicles or animals are detected with intelligent motion and event detection, and see the whole story in a single image with motion tracking. So let's power it on and start the setup. Reolink app. I need to scan the QR code. Create a username and password. Illegal login, logout, disable, enable. Next. You can rename the camera. Next. And finish. So easy. It doesn't take no more than 30 seconds to add your new camera. Beautiful and sunny weather, the camera can capture every scene in breathtaking 16 megapixel detail with dual 4K lenses. So let's dive in and find out more about its amazing specs. We can see the main screen, all the settings. You can trigger the audio alarm for a few seconds. Turn on the spotlights. I will show you at the night how it looks. Turn off. You can view other cameras from Reolink if you have. Day and night. You can choose auto, black and white and color. Same I will show you at the night. Immersive and picture-in-picture. You can pause the live streaming, resume, mute and unmute the speaker. Take a screenshot, save it to phone album and you can share. You can start recording what are you seeing at this moment. Stop recording and save it to phone album. Fluent, balanced or clear. Clear, it is the highest resolution and you can go at full screen. Talk, tap to talk. Overall, the clarity is solid for most everyday use, clear enough for quick conversations, instructions or even deterring unwanted visitors, reliable enough for critical situations. Real-time work use cases, greeting delivery personnel at your door, warning intruders on your property, checking in with family members remotely. And stop. Playback. You can play, pause, resume, mute and unmute the speaker, take a screenshot, save it to phone album and you can share. The same, you can start recording what are you seeing at this moment, stop, save it to phone album and you can share again. You can create a motion track, generate, and you will have these results. You can choose the speed, download, maximum 120 seconds. And you can choose clear or fluent resolution. You can go at full screen. You can go a few days back, a month, depending on the storage you have. You can choose other video footage, adjust with your finger. In the correct position, we can see in the time, hour, minute, seconds. Pause. Same in here. At this line, you can adjust. And you can choose any motion, person, vehicle, animal. Select all, whatever you want. Change the layout. Now let's move on at the settings. Here you can see some information about the device, storage. You can format the storage, update device, disable enable auto update, update manually, display, stream, clear, you can choose resolution, frame rate, FPS, max bit rate, and save. Fluent, same in here, resolution, frame rate, max bit rate. Frame rate mode, auto or constant. Bitrate mode, constant or variable. Anti-flicker, you can choose 50 or 60 Hz, other or close. Brightness, you can adjust the brightness. Camera name, top left, center or right, bottom left, center or right, or height. Date, the same in here. Watermark, disable enable. Privacy mask. Press and drag to draw a black rectangle up to 4 on the screen to block out specific areas. And in the end you will have these results. Remove and continue. Advanced, threshold, you can adjust, restore default value, image stitching, if you have any problems with the lenses, is not the correct stitching, you can adjust the distance, horizontal or vertical, restore. Brightness and shadows, color day mode, auto, adjust the brightness, the shadows, black and white, same in here, you can adjust. Color night mode, adjust in here, restore default value or choose auto. Sounds, you can disable enable the record sound, adjust the alarm and speaker volume. You can disable enable the noise reduction, adjust from low to high. Light, status LED, switch it off or on. Infrared lights, auto or stay off. Spotlight, modes, off. Night smart mode, automatically turn on when the camera detects an event at night, and you can choose for person, vehicle or animal. Timer mode, adjust the start time, hour and minutes, and the end time. Night smart mode, and you can adjust and the brightness. Detection alarm, non-detection zone, create a zone over the area you don't want to receive alerts about. You can paint the area, erase, erase all, or paint all. Motion mark, it is on beta, disable enable, sensitivity, motion detection, you can adjust from 1 to 50. Add sensitivity schedule, adjust the start and the end time, and the sensitivity of course from low to 50. Smart detection, you can adjust for person from 0 to 100, from vehicle, and for animal. Alarm delay for person from 0 to 8 seconds, vehicle, motion and animal. Object size, moving objects that are smaller than a minimum object size or bigger than a maximum object size will not trigger alarm. Minimum and maximum, same and for vehicle and animal, and of course you can delete that. Smart event detection, visual fence alert, Set a line in the field of view of this camera and the camera will trigger the alarm when people, vehicles or animals cross the line from the set direction. And you can add, edit, and here you can adjust. Reset. For person, vehicle and animal, rename, sensitivity from 0 to 100%. Zone intrusion alert. Set a zone in the field of view of this camera and the camera will trigger the alarm when people, vehicles, animals enter the zone. Okay, there it is. You can edit, adjust the length where you want to have this intrusion alert, and you can reset or save. For person, vehicle and animal, alarm delay from 0 to 10 seconds. Sensitivity from 0 to 100. Zone linger alert. Set a zone in the field of view of this camera and the camera will trigger the alarm when people, vehicles, animals enter the zone. Okay, again enter, adjust. For person, vehicle and animal, you can rename, alarm delay from 1 to 10 and the sensitivity from 0 to 100. Camera recording, you can disable or enable. Motion recording schedule, detection type for any motion, person, vehicle or animal. Choose a day, adjust with your finger, disable, enable, and you can copy to other days of the week. Continuous recording schedule, that is very important. You can continuously record everything. Choose a day, enable all that, and copy to other days of the week. Save. Continuous recording, activate. I like it. I always use continuous recording. Post recording direction, 15, 30 or 60 seconds. Override recordings, you can choose. Push notifications, you can enable or disable. Device notification ringtones. Urgent, important, general. Schedule, you can adjust again and choose the detection type. Push interval, 20, 30, 60 or 120 seconds. Email alerts, you can set up, enter your email personal information and you will get email alerts. FTP, enable. Data transfer will not be encrypted when using FTP, okay? And you need to adjust all these settings to store at your FTP server. Siren, enable, siren sound, custom sounds. You can record up to 5 seconds, start, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, stop, apply and sound test. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Default sounds, and you can schedule, and again the same, you can choose one of these days, adjust with your finger, enable, disable, copy to other days of the week, detection type. Linked devices, not at this moment. Time lapse, try now. Event, people, traffic, moving clouds, sunrise, sunset, construction, blooming, and you can customize. Customize, capture starts at, choose the day, the hour and the minutes, direction, hour, minutes, days, interval, you can adjust, hours, second, minutes, quality, file type, and start. File encryption, set encryption code to enable, enter the device code, confirm, encryption code, code hind, and done. File encryption enabled. You can reset the code and disable file encryption. Okay, perfect. Advanced, share device to other members of your family, allow management, view only, live view, playback, talk or push notifications, and authorization date ends. Nice. Illegal login, logout, disable, enable, change the device password, day and time, reboot and restore. So, let's move on and check the video quality at the night. Amazing scenery at night with the backlight of the city on. Combine it with the lake water, it looks amazing. The strong spotlights can illuminate the whole area very well. Nothing will pass undetected. You can manually turn off the spotlight and it will automatically go to IR night vision. Or you can select the color mode and depending on the surrounding lighting you will get the desired results. Or you can always switch to IR night vision. And when it detects movement, it automatically turns the spotlights back on. No matter what is your preferred choice, you get a clear crystal UHD video and at night. The powerful 4K color X night vision resolution in high bitrate, it does amazing job. And that wraps up our review of the Reolink Elite XPro PoE camera. With its color X night vision, easy PoE installation and robust build quality, it offers a compelling package for those seeking reliable security solutions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. If you are interested in picking up the camera, I've left a link in the description below. Are you thinking to try this camera? It's just released? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.